Welcome to our portable dishwasher showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular options for compact living: the Kappa's portable countertop dishwasher and the Midea MDC 22P1ABB tabletop dishwasher. Both are designed for small spaces, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the perfect fit for your kitchen. When it comes to pricing, the Kappa's portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $499, making it the more expensive option. On the other hand, the Midea MDC 22P1ABB is more budget-friendly at $329. This significant price difference might influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your dishwashing needs. In terms of capacity, the Kappa's dishwasher can accommodate dishes up to 12 inches in diameter, making it versatile for various dish sizes. Meanwhile, the Midea model is designed to hold 6 place settings, which is suitable for small households. If you often wash larger dishes or need to clean more items at once, the Kappa's may be the better choice. Both dishwashers offer multiple wash programs, but the Midea takes the lead with 8 different options, including specialized cycles like baby care and eco. The Kappa's, while still versatile, offers 6 wash programs. If you value having more washing options to cater to different types of dishes, the Midea might be the better fit. In conclusion, both the Kappa's and Midea portable dishwashers have their unique strengths. The Kappa's is ideal for those who need a larger capacity and versatility, while the Midea offers affordability and energy efficiency. Consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.